Oh gosh, look. There's a little bird trapped in the vegetables, so I'm going to try and help him to get out. Oh, he's trapped in the netting. It's okay, it's okay. Oh dear. Oh, what can I do? How can I get him out? Right, I'm going to try and get the netting off. So maybe he can just... Oh gosh. Oh dear, oh dear. Okay, it's okay. Get the netting off. Oh, what's happened here? Right, what I'm going to do is cut the netting. Right, he's stuck, so what I'm going to do is just cut this netting off his foot. Hopefully. I'll try and get this netting off his foot. Gosh. Oh! Wait. Well, as you can see, the bird's flown off, but my vegetables have been a little bit trampled on. But hopefully it's just the carrots, so they should still be growing under the ground. Well, after today's incident, I really don't recommend using this netting on your fruit and vegetables. This one is far much better. It's good to have some protection from animals, and this one does protect them from harsh rays of the sun, and it keeps moisture in the soil. But thankfully this time nobody was hurt, the little bird's fine, so good luck with your gardening, and we'll speak again soon.